Afternoon, everyone. Preparations have started for the Fancy Dress Festival over here in Benidorm. The Fiestas week is about to begin this Friday. Yeah, ending on Wednesday the 12th, and then on Thursday the 13th we have Fancy Dress over here. One of the biggest events of Benidorm. About 30,000 people are expected this year. Really high numbers, of course. And this street will be packed with DJs, music, bars and everything. And people having a great party. With an awesome outfit probably. So as of right now, Morgan is still closed. But we're going to take a walk through the strip. As currently all the banners, and everything is getting built up this week. To make sure everything is ready to go on the 13th. So things we can expect that day. The party will start officially around 2 p.m. But of course from 12 onwards, even in the morning, this place will be busy already. The parade will start over there, where we just started the video. We're at the Flash Hotel in that area, and then pass through the street around 3:30, 4 p.m. That are the times I could find. It's a big parade with floats, lots of live entertainment, people dressed up and everything. Definitely one of the highlights of that day. And the party will continue, of course, until late in the morning for the next day. One of the hotels that will probably be completely sold out is the Ambassador, right over here on the strip. Right at the entrance of the big party week then. And of course the streets will, thankfully as well, be empty of cars and everything. Because there are quite some cars always parked down here. Which makes for very narrow pathways. Thankfully the street will be empty then. And over here, yeah, you can see preparations are in full swing. Thus makes this area so much more alive this week than it already is. One of the biggest happenings then. As well, not that is the only highlight. Of course, we have the Fiestas over here in Benidorm with loads of activities through Old Town and the city centre and everything. Mainly focusing towards the Spanish people living here. Worth noticing as well is the fireworks show that will happen on Wednesday evening at Poniente Beach. The beginning of Poniente Beach will be a huge fireworks show. Definitely worth checking out. I believe it starts around 9. But that is the thing with Spanish things. Last year it was delayed, so don't know for this year. But just be on time because it gets crazy busy over there with the fireworks on the Wednesday as well. Leaves the bar crowds slowly picking up. What a great atmosphere already. Lovely temperature as well today, around 23 again. And for now it looks like temperature will be alright during those days. But it's quite far ahead still. So I'll keep you guys up to date about it. Loud music. And right now we still have those offers and everything. But during Fancy Dress probably you won't see any good offers. Just pay... well, it won't be overpriced. The offers are gone for that single day. So this area, not much is going on yet, but of course we still have to work through it. You can see further on, down there in the distance, much more going on. This street already over there, it's very colourful. As well, if you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit that like button, greatly helps promoting them. And do subscribe for more updates over here in Benidorm, what is all going on. Or want updates during Fancy Dress, of course they're coming then. There we got the Red Lion. Of course, police on patrol, something we see for now, because On the 13th, well, hell no, they can't go through over here with their car. Let's see, Avenida Filipinas right over here. Are there any preparations going on this street? Of course it's the strip, the Calle Gerona mostly, with activities, but the whole neighborhood is one big party by then. You can see some flags down there in the distance. And on the other side, not much yet is going on. But that will happen, of course, during the week. More and more we'll see. So we will give you constant updates of how it is going over here in Benidorm. Let's continue. Got the Brit Station over there. Not the busiest yet. Yeah, it is already not quite late. Did have lunch in Albert today. So now taking a nice walk after a meal and then just enjoying the strip. It's around 5. Slowly on, it will get busier after dinner over here. Rose and Crown. And of course, one of the places that probably will be packed during fancy dress is the KFC, which we have right over here. It has thankfully been renovated. It was really an old one which didn't look properly clean. Thankfully it has been renovated, this one. But still, I wouldn't recommend getting something from here. Maybe build up a break in your day. Maybe head towards the beach. It's literally a 2-minute walk from here. It's right down there on the other side of that tower. So head towards the beach, grab a meal somewhere on a terrace, take a proper meal, and then continue partying again. That is something I would recommend, because it is a very long day then. Probably you'll be here from around 2 until late at night, maybe even continuing until the morning. But we'll see. Right now this area completely quiet, but at night still the party goes on very strong over here. The railway bar, big one as well. But it will get busier, yeah, later on. Right up there, got the Shamrock. Let's have a closer look. They have some balloons out already. Music playing. Gotta wait for that car to pass by, so I get safely across the road, of course. So yeah, slowly on. Every single bit of this street will be decorated for fancy dress. Marina Hotel, one of those as well, which I expect to be completely sold out for the upcoming days. Right here on the strip, of course, but don't forget there are many more hotels in the area. Of course, these ones will probably be highest priced, but if you don't mind 5-minute walk or so, then you're alright, and probably you could get a better deal. Let's get towards the other side. On our opposite we have Andy's Bar, busy one as well. This will be the bit more quieter area during the fiestas, but still completely packed as well. this is one of those places. Many people have breakfast in the morning over there. Yorkshire Pride, Winning Post, very popular bars. Have some breakfast over here with Rovers. Come to Flamingo. And the $1 Million Bar on the opposite. So your crowds are picking up, and over here in the sun it's lovely to have a drink right now. It definitely feels warmer than the 23 that they're saying it is. Beautiful to be in Benidorm right now. Yeah, this is then actually sort of the end of the strip, and from further on we're continuing into the rest of the Calle Gerona. If you pass on through the other way, down there, it splits off more towards the restaurant side of it. So let's have a quick look over there. So things you have over here in this area. Over here you've got a kebabish place, big one. There's a very big restaurant chain over there on the opposite, some bars. And right down here on the right is the Elsa bus stop. To be exact, right over there. That is the Elsa bus stop. If you're coming here in the morning, still need some pastries or anything, this shop over there, down there, under there. Definitely worth going to. And of course it's way better priced than at the airport. Let's quickly get across Avenida Europa, the big street over here. And like literally within a few minutes you could get some better meals than just some simple kebabish food. Party is going on right over there on that street. But from here on, this is where it starts. At Irish Burger Bar. And Fanneli's is up next as well. Definitely recommend it if you want a quick, good burger. Way better than the McDonald's or Burger King ones. But apparently this one, ooh, it's closed. Sorry guys, can't show you that. We're opening later at night probably. Open after 6. So I'm just too early now. But yeah, there are many more restaurants and as well bars. There are bars coming up as well in this area. We'll give you guys a closer look what is all available in the upcoming weeks of this area. As you can see, you have plenty proper options instead of that simple kebabish, which will probably be overpriced during fancy dress in the strip. So I would definitely recommend take that walk just 5 minutes out towards a better place to spend your money. There we are, got Winner's Bar up here. And many more bars are coming up and popping up. Pub and Grill recently opened up. As well, you have all those tables on the street, so you could have a nice meal out here. Temperatures are still quite alright in the evenings. And as well, many places have some snacks or drinks. The Border. New one is Lucky Shamrock. And from here on we really get towards the restaurant bit. Got some steak houses. Indian restaurants as well. And it continues throughout. Italian, Spanish, you could get literally everything over here. Definitely worth recommending heading here during fancy dress, grab that meal with your friends, and then back towards the strip to party all night long. Take that time to relax, to reload, to recharge, get some decent food in. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Definitely don't forget, do give that a like, do subscribe. Check out over here latest updates on the Fanneli beach, which bars are new, which are under construction. And hope to see you next time.